3 minutes, one crash course, AI prompting essentials, so your prompts actually deliver. Ever typed a vague prompt like, write something about marketing and got meh results? It's not the AI, it's the brief. Today I'll show you a simple system to turn meh into nailed it, fast. I use a hook teach apply flow when I prompt too. Here's the formula, RTFCE, role, who should the AI be, task, what should it do, format, how should the output look, constraints, limits like length, tone, audience, examples, one tiny sample to lock in style. Think of it like ordering a pizza, role is the chef, task is the pizza, format is slice versus square, constraints are crust and toppings, examples are, make it like that place I love. 1. Role act as a senior UX writer with B2B SaaS experience. This sets expertise and vocabulary. 2. Task rewrite this onboarding email to increase activation. Clear and measurable beats make it better. 3. Format output, subject line, preview text, body, CTA, bulleted. You're telling it the shape of the answer. 4. Constraints keep under 120 words. Tone, friendly, not salesy. Audience, new users. Now it can aim. 5. Examples. Example tone. Getting started is easier than you think. Here's your 2-minute setup. One line anchors style without writing the whole thing. Bonus levers. Data. Paste the exact text, table, or link summary. Steps. First list assumptions, then draft, then refine. Evaluation. Score your draft against clarity and brevity. 110. Iteration. Ask me 3 questions before writing. Apply. Let's do 3 rapid prompts you can steal. A. Rewrite an email role, senior UX writer. Task. Rewrite the email below to increase signups. Format. Subject. Preview. Body. CTA. Constraints. Max 120 words. Friendly. Concrete benefits. No jargon. Example tone. You'll finish before your coffee cools. Content to rewrite. Paste your email. Evaluate. Score clarity and brevity. Then give version 2 if score less than 8. B. Summarize a report role. Analyst. Task. Summarize this report for a busy VP. Format. 5 bullets. Goal. 3 insights. 1 risk. 1 next step. Constraints. Plain English. No buzzwords. Data. Paste text. Verify. Flag any places where sources are weak. C. Brainstorm, plus prioritize role. Product strategist. Task. Generate 10 growth ideas, then rank by impact versus effort in a 2x2 list. Constraints exclude paid ads, focus on onboarding, ask me 3 clarifying questions first. Output, ranked list with 1-sentence rationale each, troubleshooting quickies. Too generic? Add constraints and an example line. Messy format? Specify headings and bullet count. Hallucinations? Say only use provided data. If missing, ask. Weak tone? Paste a style snippet to mimic. Wrap up. Good prompts are clear briefs. Set the role, define the task, fix the format, constrain smartly, and anchor with an example. Copy these templates, tweak, and run. Your next output? Way better. See you in the next crash course.